Narwal Freo 20 Robot Vacuum. What you need to know before you buy. Narwal Freo 20 launches in the US August 20th at $1,099.99 with an $899.99 intro price. It adds FlowWash, 31,000 Pascal suction, AI obstacle detection, anti-tangle tech, edge cleaning, and pet baby modes. The Freo 20 offers 31,000 Pascal suction, FlowWash mopping, AI navigation with 300+ object recognition, anti-tangle and edge cleaning, pet and baby modes, and a self-cleaning dock with hot water washing, drying, and up to 120 days of hands-free use. The Freo 20 brings Narwal's premium FlowWash tech to a lower price point. Its roller-style mop continuously cleans itself, helping prevent dirty pads from spreading grime across floors. The Freo 20's FlowWash uses a 12N roller mop, 140 degrees Fahrenheit water, and 16 nozzles to continuously scrub and self-clean. A scraper and air pump remove dirty water, while its larger contact area boosts hard floor cleaning. The Freo 20 offers up to 31,000 Pascal suction to tackle debris, crumbs, pet hair, and dirt on carpets and floors, making it a strong option for mixed-floor homes. The Freo 20 uses NarMind Pro AI, dual RGB cameras, and TwinAI Dodge to recognize 300+ objects and avoid obstacles. Narwal claims 99% accuracy, though real-world results may vary. The Freo 20's dock offers 4-stage cleaning, 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water washing, 140 degrees Fahrenheit mop drying, and automatic debris collection into a 2.4-liter dust bag.
Go to GearBrain for more information.